You keep seeing 1-1 on clocks, receipts, screens, random places. It feels too exact to ignore. And that is the point. What if a 1-1 is not random? What if it is a signal, a quiet nudge that your attention is waking up? In simple terms, 1111 is a mirror number. It repeats, it pulls your focus. It asks you to pause and notice what you're thinking right now. Many people see a lemon 1 during change, new job, new love, new path. It can show up when life is asking you to choose with more care. But here's the key. Well, 1101 is not magic by itself. It is a reminder to align your mind, your energy, and your next move. So when you see 1111, ask one question. What am I creating right now? Because your attention shapes your path faster than you think. You do not need to force meaning. Just stay aware, stay honest, stay open. Sometimes the sign is simple. You are ready for the next level. If you keep seeing a 1 and 1, take it as a wake-up call. Not to panic, to pay attention. The pattern is calling you back to yourself. Follow Code of Ascension for more simple signs, cosmic meaning, and clear guidance for your path. Like, comment, and subscribe to Code of Ascension for more light code insights.